The quiet gardener. Lila was a shy young woman, often overlooked by others. She lived in a small town where everyone seemed to be busy with their own lives. But Lila had a secret love: gardening. She had a tiny plot of land behind her house where she planted flowers and vegetables. It wasn't much, but to her, it was everything. Every day, she'd water the plants, pull out the weeds, and patiently wait for the flowers to bloom. The neighbors rarely took notice, too busy with their lives to see the beauty she was nurturing. One summer, a new family moved in next door. Their house was dull, with overgrown grass and untended shrubs. Lila decided to do something she had never done before. She quietly planted a small garden in their front yard while they were away. She added vibrant flowers, sweet-smelling herbs, and even a few fruit trees. When the family returned, they were stunned. The dull yard was transformed into a beautiful garden. The father came to Lila, his eyes filled with wonder. "How did you?" he started, but couldn't finish his sentence. Lila simply smiled and said, "Sometimes, the most beautiful things grow in silence." Over the next few months, the neighbors started taking care of the garden themselves. It became the heart of the community, where people stopped by to admire the flowers, share stories, and find peace. Lila's quiet act of kindness turned a neighborhood into a home. Moral: you don't need to be loud to make a difference. Small, selfless acts of kindness have the power to bloom into something beautiful.